everyone, we are here at KubeCon and I have Brad here with me. Brad, how's your day been?
It's been very good, thank you. Very busy, lots of people to meet, good talks. Yeah, it's been very good.
Amazing. And you know, KubeCon is also all about education and making people aware of various cloud native technologies. I saw so many amazing new projects and like showcases. So Brad, we're here talking about the education in cloud native ecosystem. What has your experience been like when it comes to educating people in the field of cloud native? And from your KubeCon experience in Detroit this week, what are some of the challenges that you have seen, let's say, people face when it comes to educating someone around cloud native?
Yeah, so I went to some really good talks on we have a working group now for mentoring, and that's focusing on, we're trying to make some templates so we can take to countries to help get more folks involved in different communities. Like Guatemala, we're going to try and make a template there where we can start educating in Spanish as well. So we're going to start doing a lot of talks in Spanish, and really trying to get more people coming to KubeCon and help them contribute. And one challenge we have is that everything's in English. So if you have a contributing guide and people don't speak English, it's really hard. That's a blocker to start contributing to a project. So we're talking about ways where how can we make that more inclusive and have different languages, to get started, and exploring some of these challenges that other people have, for education.
Yeah, I could not agree more. I've also seen the great work done by the Cloud Native Glossary.
Exactly,
they're also having their own localization groups. And from what you have experienced at this KubeCon, what are some of the new, let's say, initiatives or new trends that you have seen in the field of education at this KubeCon?
So we're starting to work on a new GitOps certification. We are in the initial talks of getting it ready. So that's one big up and coming project that we're starting. Also, the Flux has a really good bug scrub. So I was talking to the folks at Flux where they're really, really good at getting new contributors. So we're thinking about making that a template as well. So we can propagate it to other projects and they can sort of have, when you first start contributing, it's very hard because it's, you don't know what to do, you don't know where to go. But the bug scrub is like a really good thing where it's very welcoming. So we're working on a lot of things to just welcome people.
Yeah, especially if you're getting started with open source. There was a talk at this KubeCon, 10 mistakes to avoid when you're starting with open source by, I believe, Divya and Bill. Highly recommend checking that out. And if you're looking for a mentor, or if you're looking to mentor someone, I have a talk at KubeCon as well. Me and Mark are going to speak about a mentor-mentee framework. But according to you, Brad, you've been active in the open source community. What can projects do from their side to be more inclusive to people who are just starting out? Because you mentioned right now that it's a little bit difficult when you're first starting out. So from the project side, how can they ease the process for the contributors?
I think having a good first issue is really, really helpful. And when we have like community meetings at the start, say like, do we have any new folks on the call? Please introduce yourself, and really just saying hello to them. It's like when you go to the supermarket and you want to, let's say you want to buy some milk. You ask someone, where's the milk? They say it's way over there. But if they actually get you and they take you over there and show you how to, where it is, it's a much better experience for you. And you're not going to look around and you don't know what to do. So really just like sort of hand-holding them to the first issue, showing them the code of conduct, and really just another problem we have is the gap between new contributors and maintainers. So there's no one in the middle. So we really need to teach people how to mentor as well. So I think we would like to do a lot of work on getting the maintainers to teach that new group of approvers coming through, and that will also help scale the mentoring as well.
Amazing. Well, thanks a lot for sharing that. It was really great talking to you. For everyone else, to check out some of the resources we leave in the description below if you want to learn about cloud native tools and technologies. We're here at KubeCon, signing off. Thank you.